Yeah, I added car 426 in here just for comparison. But 135, it got its decoder in, and so I put on the layout. And right off the bat, it cannot make the tight turns of my layout. So I had to do extensive modifications to the floor to get those trucks to turn a little further. So now it's taking the right-hand turns just fine, but I can't get it to make those left-hand turns through the intersection here. And so I put this camera down here, track level, and looking at those wheels, seeing what they're doing there. And so here it is. It's making the right-hand turn no problem. But now it's coming up on this left-hand turn, and those wheels are right up and over. Look at that. Ah, dang it. All right, quarter speed here. You'll see it climb up. Wheel closest to us, yeah, right up and over there. Wheel behind it is trying to keep it. And then the rear trucks are tracking just perfectly until they get pulled off by the whole car. All right, stepping through frame by frame. But the front left wheel, watch that front left wheel. As it gets to the turnout there, you'll see it'll climb right up and over. It's not taking that, like it's not even, look right there. Yeah, it went right over. Like it wasn't even there. Whereas the wheel behind it it's digging in, it's trying to turn. It's trying to take that turn. So there's something going on with that truck. I gotta look at that truck. And then this rear truck is tracking just perfectly until the whole car pulled it off. So I'm gonna have to get my look at that front truck, check the gauge, the wheel gauge of that, make sure the wheels are engaged. It might just be a weight thing. I already packed a bunch of weights into the roof of the cars. But I'll see if I can get some more weights. That'll help keep the car heavy on the track and not riding up the rails. So back to the workbench. Continue modifying and tweaking, and we'll get this thing running really nice. All right, I'll see you next time.